quarter life crisis.
Oh.
Bang.
Yung feeling na wala ka pang na-achieve or yung comparison with people your age at yung pressure now that you're a full-fledged adult.
Because I think nandun yung salitang crisis. Parang feeling natin it's a negative thing. I feel like it's a necessary audit review period of your life. What is one passion na you might have been a little afraid to share with the world, but you know you have always wanted to pursue?
Siguro sa singing. I've always wanted to like perform on a bigger stage, kumbaga.
Actually ako, comedy as well.
Talaga maging entrepreneur.
Pangarap ko din na magawa kasi gusto ko din mapakita sa mga tao na, hey, I'm a human being. I'm more than just my singing voice.
I love
If dati I
it.
believe that the children are their future, after meeting you guys, I don't believe that anymore.
Welcome back, mga ka-triggered!
To
Yes.
Soundboard!
Soundboard!
Siyempre, still with Baus.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
First,
Okay.
to start off, what's the best thing about turning 30?
The best thing about being 30 is caring less about what other people think. Because you spend so much unnecessary energy parang preventing yourself from doing things or pursuing projects because like, baka ito yung isipin na ganyan or like, girl, nobody cares. Everybody is busy doing their own thing. So do you. ASAP.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes.
Love
Wala
it.
nang fear of the cringe.
Laban mo na agad yan, di ba? Oh.
Yes.
I think pag 30s ka na, you're so done. Parang like,
Rocket
parang
mindset.
mode na.
Correct.
Oo.
So, eto na nga, quarter life crisis.
Oh.
Bang.
Yung feeling na wala ka pang na-achieve or yung comparison with people your age at yung pressure now that you're a full-fledged adult. Ikaw ba, were you a victim of quarter life crisis?
I think I was. Yung sinabi ko nga kanina, I go back to what I said nung previous episode. When I was in corporate, entering my 7th or 8th year noon, which is like 26, 27 na ako. As in, mas grabe na yung pressure ko sa sarili ko na parang, when am I gonna pursue that my passion to be a comedian? And then, that's when I started taking classes. Slowly but surely. Hindi naman siya yung tipong pag nape-pressure ka, parang, hindi, iwanan natin lahat, tapos bahala na kung paano natin ipupursue yung passion natin. I think, definitely, ganun siya nag-manifest sa akin. So, I attended to it, and now I'm here. So, I'm a product of my quarter life crisis, I guess. Yeah.
I think quarter life crisis really helps to push you talaga, no? Kasi pag wala ka namang obstacles along the way, parang pag chill ka lang, parang, paano yun?
And I think, wag natin siyang, because I think nandun yung salitang crisis, parang feeling natin it's a negative thing. I feel like it's a necessary audit review period of your life. Diba? Kasi parang you don't wanna be stuck. You are also changing. So parang feeling ko mas, ganun siya, parang brand review siya. Diba? Parang life review siya as opposed to like a quarter life crisis because pag narinig ko kasi yung quarter life crisis, parang it's this negative thing na parang I need to get rid of like whatever unnecessary tension this is. But look at it as like, oh, there's a period of maybe reviewing
Checkpoint.
Diba? Checkpoint, diba? Kasi mali mo, hindi mo na gusto or may iba ka pang gusto. So,
I like that.
Yeah.
Alam mo, that
That's a good way
really
of
made
putting
me
it.
think. Kasi parang recently din, na-experience ko din talaga yan na yung, especially yung, yun nga, we go back to comparison, especially with social media and how easy it is to make it in the entertainment industry because you could just go viral once and then, yun na yun, you're kind of set. So yun, it's easy to compare yourself to people who are, meron pa nga much, much younger than us who are, alam mo yun, yung parang are already where we want to be.
yes.
Pero what you said is really making me think na at the end of the day, when I think about where I am and what I'm doing, I still love it.
Yeah. And I think ang isa rin parang you wanna start that project. Like, gusto mo mag-artista, gusto mo mag-podcast, gusto mo mag-content. But I think ang hindi na realize ng ibang tao, mas mahirap yung staying power. Maintaining that.
Yes,
or continuing to do the podcast, to pursue yung love mo for performing. Parang it's one thing to get it started, but feeling ko
Yeah.
it takes so much more work to be able to commit to it and not quit because it is hindi naman the odds are against you, but because competition is stiff, parang you're really gonna have to be very creative
Yes.
on how to stand out. So kaya ako rin sinabi kanina, simulan mo na yung project kasi ang mas kailangan trabahuhin is yung staying and committing to that project you've been wanting to do.
Yeah, kasi lagi ka na lang ay next time na lang, ganito. Hanggat sa hindi mo na yun magawa, kaya kung ako sa'yo, simulan mo na yan. Huwag ka na mag-procrastinate.
Nagalit siya, te.
Alam mo,
Triggered siya, man.
yan din yung sinabi ng isa ko pang kaibigan eh. Sabi pa niya sa akin, ay, kung ako sa'yo, wag ka muna bumili ng parang impatient ka. Gusto mo na talaga
Sa
bilhin
camera
ng
mo rin to?
camera. Oo, sa camera. Sabi ko, hindi
camera na yan,
eh.
ha?
Camera na yan,
Kaya
ha?
nga eh, sabi ko, hindi eh. Kailangan ko na siyang makuha ngayon para masimulan ko na yung pag-take ng magandang photos para maganda na consistent ng maganda yung Instagram feed ko.
Tapos mamaya kukunin mo na yung camera.
Correct! So, bukas, abangan.
Quarter life crisis solved.
Oo, di ba? Because like, this is what they say, okay? You have to be obsessed with what you wanna achieve para makamit mo talaga siya. Nandun yung focus mo. Because if you're not obsessed, girl, walang mangyayari sa'yo. Like example, gusto mo ng healthy living, diba? Gusto mo maging healthy, gusto mo maging fit. Hindi mo maa-achieve yun, yung fullest potential mo, pag hindi ka obsessed. Hindi ka obsessed sa craft mo, wala, superficial lang, hindi ka gagaling dyan. So, you have to be obsessed talaga. And you have to do it right away. Bahala na.
May araw ka rin! Ayop ka!
Diba?
Mabalik lang natin sa conversation on age and perspective. I agree na dapat you're obsessed, like you're so committed and passionate about it. But I think when you reach your 30s, mas ma-realize mo, teka, okay lang naman akong ma-obsess or maging committed, pero sana na-enjoy ko pa rin yung proseso.
But you have to,
But
enjoy.
you have to, or
Oo.
else mapapakwit ka na lang kung ano man yung pinupursue mo,
Yun
diba?
nga yung sabi nila, dapat i-enjoy mo yung journey, yung process na yun. Hindi agad result yung iniisip mo. You have that goal, but before you even achieve that goal, dapat ini-enjoy mo yung ladder towards it. Yun eh. And that's the beauty of life. Kasi towards that journey, may ups and downs ka eh.
Tama.
Pero dapat eager ka talaga. Para, alam mo yun.
May i-add ako.
Sige
How about-
i-add mo
bro?
nga.
How about yung mga taong ika nga multi-passionate? Paano sila like if tutungtong na sila ng 30s, ano bang mafu-foresee nila? Ano bang like a better way to live their 30s?
I love that question because I think deep down lahat tayo multi-passionates, multi-hyphenates. And I think when you reach your 30s, mas ma-realize mo lang na wala kang hinihintay na permission from other people na you can do whatever you want. Ikaw bahala if you want to be creative and business-minded and like all at the same time. Because ako na-program ako na parang, okay, if I pursue a career in the arts, parang it's not gonna be able to pay for the bills. Parang, but let me find a way to, diba, to maybe prove them wrong. So, I took up business in college and now I'm a professional comedian. So, parang medyo magkalayo sila. But I am able to make my business degree work for how I brand myself sa comedy. So, ayun, like, don't put yourself in a box, I guess is what I'm trying to say.
Do you wanna try for bubble gang? Charot, ganun eh. May auditions kami ngayon eh.
Actually,
Casting director ka pala rin.
Oo, biglang nag-casting.
I think definitely Bubble Gang is like a big goal post sa akin. So, sino po ba ang kailangan kong padalhan ng pichi-pichi
Meron po.
para po ako ay
Video lang.
Pichi-pichi.
Video bows.
Sige.
Ano?
Ito na rin ba yung video na yon? Okay.
Ngayon na yung audition mo actually.
Okay. Ito na
Parang
yan,
kanina pa naman ako nakakatawa.
Sinetap
So,
ka
parang
lang
ang dami ko nang binigay.
Kasi magiging regular cast yung sino mapipili talaga. Hindi niya kailangan maging like
Ini-eme mo na lang ba ako?
Hindi nga, legit nga. Ongoing
Coaches
yun.
Okay. Okay, nasa na? Mamaya, tigil na natin ito. Mag-audition na ako.
Mamaya. Sige, mamaya.
Okay.
Oo.
Yeah.
Ayun.
But I guess, sige, ako naman na mag-host mode now because, I'm also a podcast host. You talked about like being, having multiple passions. What is one passion na you might have been a little afraid to share with the world, but you have always wanted to pursue?
Ooh.
Ako, siguro sa singing. I've always wanted to like perform on a bigger stage, kumbaga. Hindi lamang sa online lang, ganun. So parang gusto ko naman matry na excellent ako. Parang pinapanood ako ng mga tao, pinapalakpakan ako, ganun. Ganung levels.
Yeah. How about you?
Actually, ako, comedy as well.
Oh!
Actually.
Yes.
Yeah.
Siya yung comedian of the group.
Wala
Sila
na.
dalawa.
Well, sinusubukan ko siya ng konti. Like, nag-content ako na medyo may skit, ganun. Pero it's something na hindi ko talaga pinursue or naisip na parang maybe I can write. Di ko sinubukan. Or parang, like improv, nanonood ako lagi. And parang interested ako. Pero never ko talaga siya pinursue kasi, I don't know.
Take a class.
Gusto nga namin mag-improv
take a
class.
Kunyari, if you want to do improv comedy, just take a class now and look for a class tomorrow. If you want to do stand-up comedy, there are open mics happening every week. Like,
Meron.
like literally kumbaga, you don't have to look far or look hard to be able to like start like that next project. But I guess kaya ako rin ginagawa tong exercise na to. Sabi kasi sa akin, pag nagma-manifest ka daw, kailangan na rin kiniklaim mo sa mundo yung like gusto mong makuha. Kasi 'di ba, parang no, kaya 'yan. So ikaw, apart from mga away sa camera, ano pa ang goal mo sa buhay?
Ang goal ko sa buhay, na hindi ko pa na-share, talaga maging entrepreneur. Hindi ko pa siya kasi, you know what, Baus, I am not that knowledgeable pa talaga. But I know deep in my heart, gusto ko rin yun ma-achieve soon o mapuntahan soon din aside sa pagiging artista. Kasi hindi naman forever to eh. And gusto ko may mapuntahan talaga yung, kumbaga naipundar kong pera dito. And I know na hindi naman ako yayaman lang sa ganun. Yayaman ako sa pagbibusiness. So, what I plan to do is take classes. Yan, i-share ko.
Yeah.
Plano yun na magta-take ako ng business classes, ganun, para may idea ako. And eventually, magsa-start talaga ako.
Yeah.
So, yun. And syempre, aside from, kung makakuha ng award as a best actress.
Or sumbungan ng bayan kasi
Yes.
nangaaway ka sa camera.
Actually, yes.
The next Tulfo.
Very much.
Tulfa.
Correct.
Oo, nang malaman nyo.
Oo. No, I love it na parang, sinabi mo nga na parang, I mean, yes, don't fault yourself for not being knowledgeable about a certain topic because all that means is there's so much more room for growth.
Yeah.
Pag nag-aral ka and to figure it out. And at the end of the day, life is just about trying to enjoy
Yeah,
it.
you don't know everything
Yeah.
pa. And once you tell yourself na you know everything,
It's
you're
boring.
doomed.
It's
Wala na.
boring,
You're
actually.
doomed.
It's really boring. Like you don't wanna enter a room feeling like you are the smartest
Yeah,
one. Kasi
no.
parang, hindi mo na na-enjoy kung ikaw na yung pinakamagaling.
Correct. Wala ka nang matututunan. Ang enjoy kaya madami kang matutunan, 'di ba? Like parang you act like you don't know anything, but then you just listen to them and you learn a lot of things. It's so fun.
How about you, Thea? Ano ang pangarap na gusto nating ibato out there at sabihin sa ating mga constituents?
Yes. Siguro yung passion din na I would love to explore is yung ano ba? How do I explain that? Parang
Artista,
yeah.
actor,
TV?
like actress.
That's
TV, you do theater na eh.
Yeah, I do theater but I've never acted on TV. But really I think more so than that, ang una kong naisip is yung kasi I'm a singer primarily and yun nga I do theater. Pero most ng content ko is just me singing or dancing, ganyan, basta performing. Pero wala ako masyadong content where people just get to hear me talk as myself. So I think matagal ko na tong naiisip na yun nga, yung sakit na, sige, next time na lang kapag parang mas ready na ako na ipakita yung sarili ko, ganyan. Kasi when you're a performer, you kind of have an alter ego. Parang you're hiding behind your voice, your dance moves, your persona on stage. But it's a different thing when you're speaking as yourself, as just me. Hi, I'm Thea. Ganon. Ikaw na yun eh. So, yun yung medyo pangarap ko din na magawa. Kasi gusto ko din mapakita sa mga tao na, hey, I'm a human being. I'm more than just my singing voice. Alam mo yun, I have thoughts. I have opinions.
So I think, I guess isa na namang ma-share ko na lesson is if you feel like the right opportunities are nowhere to be found, create that opportunity yourself.
Yes!
It's something I also learned on my own kasi nung bumabalik na yung live events like after the pandemic, so freelance na ako noon. I knew I could host events but like wala akong portfolio. Ang experience ko lang ng public speaking is from advertising. So what I did is basically I produced my own viewing parties of Drag Race. Tapos ginamit ko yon as parang portfolio to be able to show everyone na hey, I can host. And now I host a lot of brand events. So yun na parang if you keep waiting for that right opportunity to come, pero like medyo matagal na at hindi pa rin dumarating, like no one is stopping you from creating that opportunity for yourself.
That's
Yes.
really true.
That reminds me of, I think, si Issa Rae. I don't know if you guys know her. But early on in her career...
Insecure, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Early on in her career, she wasn't getting the roles she wanted. So, she self-produced. Sa YouTube lang.
Yeah.
Tapos si ano din, yung sa Monkey Man,
Dev
Dev Patel.
Uh-huh.
Like, he's not getting that, yung parang na-typecast siya since he's an ethnic actor. He's Indian, right? So, siya yung
Siya yung IT lagi.
nag-produce siya ng film na action star siya.
Correct.
Kasi yun yung gusto niya eh.
Yeah.
Diba? So,
Yeah.
tama yun na yun nga, you create opportunities.
And parang feeling
for
ko dapat
yourself.
tayo mas inspired or mas emboldened tayo to create opportunities for ourselves because we have some form of social media following, 'di ba? So kumbaga meron tayong audience sa pwede nating ma-broadcast yung project na yun, 'di ba? So let's also like maximize that
may
and
audience.
yeah.
Ano naman yung... sorry,
Mabalik ko lang
cut
naman
you
yung
off.
tanong. Ikaw naman, Baus. Ano naman yung
Yes.
passion mo pa na gusto mong ibato
Yes.
doon?
Oh yeah, ako
Meron pa ba?
I am really working towards writing like a one man or like an all queer musical comedy show that I will write, direct and star
That's so
in.
dope.
I'm already piloting parts of it. Like kunyari, I'm doing sketch comedy on TikTok and I do live comedy sa improv and stand-up. I write for drag queens, for mga comedy shows nila. So it's just all about like piecing everything together and then finally, pag ako na yung hahawak ng Infinity Gauntlet ni Thanos at ako na yung in charge.
Yes.
So I'm working towards that, definitely. And that means in getting to that goal, I have to create those small opportunities for myself para eventually, medium term, it all leads to that.
Mag-lead to
And
that.
it will. And it will.
And it will. Manifest. Tama.
Ano namang advice mo para sa yung mga late bloomers, yung mga baka hindi pa nila alam yung passion na yon or they don't know yet how to achieve it?
Yeah, correct. I think ang kailangan mong i-remind sa sarili mo is that you are neither ahead or behind. You are where you are where you are supposed to be. I say that because I did 10 years in corporate before pursuing a comedy career. I feel like if I pursued my comedy career in my early 20s, I may not have enjoyed the same longevity that I now enjoy, getting to do this for 5 years now. I had to learn the ropes of like the industry muna, diba? Like how money moves, sino yung mga approvers, how do you stand out, diba? Kung hindi ko natutunan sa advertising yun, baka yung lifelong passion ko, baka nawala na lang siya bigla. So I guess it's up for you. It's your responsibility to make every life experience support whatever your next big decision is. Diba? Parang wag mo isipin, ay, hindi na sayang yung oras ko dyan. Like, yes, you can subscribe to that mindset, but you can also find a way na parang ano pa yung mga natutunan ko dyan na pwede ko may apply sa aking magiging next endeavor.
Yeah, kumbaga parang everything happens na lang talaga for a reason. Maybe an opportunity for you to learn from it. 'Di ba? Para pagdating mo dun sa point na kung gusto mo, mapunta ka na dun sa gusto mo, knowledgeable ka na. Alam mo na.
Like, you make it make sense to the universe, kumbaga.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is so nice to hear because I feel like a lot of people, including me, experience this. You often regret yung mga, yun nga na you wish you did things earlier para sana na-achieve mo na to earlier. Pero like you have to ask yourself then na if na-achieve mo ba yun earlier, ready ka na ba? Ready ka na?
Yes.
Yung personality mo ba? Yung mindset
Yes.
mo ba?
Yung
Ready na for
character
that?
mo?
Oo, ready na for that opportunity. Baka ma-fumble mo lang din siya nung time na yun or nung age mo na yun.
Yeah.
So, yun nga, you are where you're supposed to be.
Yeah. And a big part of the industry we're in is about presenting like confidence and like show like best foot forward. And confidence takes time to build eh.
Exactly.
Diba? So parang if you think of like, dapat pinursu ko pa yan, college pa lang ako kasi dapat ito yung timeline para maging big star.
Yeah.
Like, yes, pwede yon, but also, kung hindi ka pa handa, kung hindi ka pa hinog, wala rin mangyayari.
Yeah, alam mo, just a quick share lang. Lagi kong iniisip na, bakit kaya 22 na ako nag-artista? Bakit kaya ngayon lang gumanon pa ako
Same.
before? Bakit ngayon lang nangyari to sa akin? Now that I'm, somewhere there, a couple of years after.
Malayo ka pa sa akin,
Oh,
FYI.
Correct. Oo. Pero, couple of years after 22, now I realize na
So,
parang,
24.
nga no, kaya pala ako hindi
Couple of
nag-artista when I was younger is because hindi pa ako handa. Na pag binigay yun sa akin, baka by this time, laos na ako. Wala nang nilulook forward sa akin yung mga tao. That time, I was still like chubby pa, ganun. Hindi pa ako ganun kagaling umarte or that wise enough when it comes to the industry. So, baka lang din, mawala lang din siya agad. So, mas mabuti na rin yung ngayon na alam ng universe ni God na I'm ready.
And also, yung industry na to, like, it's filled with rejections. Diba? So, you need to develop, like, a thick skin muna if you wanna be able to commit to it. Kasi kung parang makatanggap ka pa lang ng first no mo, magre-retreat ka agad sa world, parang, then, obviously, hindi ka pa ready. So, I guess, trust that ginagayad ka ng universe para pagdating ng right opportunity, ready ka to grab it and really make it your own.
Yes.
Trust the process.
Make it
Correct.
sparkle. Ay,
Ay.
okay.
Ay ba?
Make it sparkle.
Grabe.
Yes.
Yeah.
Napaka-loyal,
And naisip ko
GME.
din na yung mga experiences, like ako personally, yung mga experiences ko na napagdaanan ko dahil nga hindi pa ako nag-artista ng maaga, yung mga nakadagdag yun sa character development ko na ngayon nadadala ko siya sa craft ko. So katulad din ng sinabi mo kanina na yung business acumen na
Yeah.
nakuha mo through your years working in corporate, ngayon na-apply mo din siya in this
Yeah.
new venture of yours.
Bago mag-showbiz, kailangan mo muna ng trauma.
Para may hugot ka sa life.
Malalim yung-
Para may material
malalim
ka
yung
for
ano mo.
your
Wait. As the older responsible adult here, wag natin masyadong i-romanticize. Joke lang,
guys.
idea
That was a
ng
joke.
trauma. There are better ways to be excellent, to be effective, to be competent. Yes, meron lang proven track record yung trauma, but also, tigilan natin tong starving artist mindset, diba?
Yeah.
It is much better to create from a place where you feel safe, you feel
Ano
welcome,
yung starving
diba?
artist?
Yung mga hindi pa nakakain ng breakfast.
No, legit. Ano nga
No.
yun?
Like, kunyari, kailangan marami akong pagdaanan na problema sa buhay para mas maganda yung masulat ko na kanta, mas maramdaman ko siya. Like, yes, that is good, but also, you have to take care of the artist din, di ba?
Yeah.
So, I think it will be much more fulfilling if you create from a place na talagang masaya ka and i-enjoy mo.
Ito, curious lang ako.
Yeah.
Di ba, you spent 10 years in corporate. How long was na parang may nagsasalita sa'yo na gusto mo na talaga mag-comedy? When did that start?
As early as like the first day of my
Really?
no, because ang pinaka-background niya is that I was in the musical theater org when I was in college. So in a way I always had that as an option. But because sabi ng tatay ko, hindi, kailangan
Where?
maghanap mo ng
Where?
tradition.
Which, ano?
Ateneo Blue Repertory.
Blue Rep?
Ito, I was Blue Rap! Ay, ko Blue Rapper!
No, anyway, so going back to your question lang, umabot ako sa mga points na magtatakas ako sa work para pumila sa isang audition. Tapos ganito, pipila na ako sa audition, 1 oras na ako nandun. Tapos pag like, when I am 3 auditionees away na lang, aatras ako bigla. Because grabe yung negative self-talk na parang, hindi, wag na, mag-corporate ka na lang, di mo kaya yan, ganyan-ganyan. So, as early as like my first job, I always wanted to pursue it. Kaya by the time na year 7, year 8 na sa corporate, ang lakas-lakas na nung boses na yun sa utak ko of parang, hindi, dyan ka na, just stay in your lane. Like, you should be happy that you have a paying job that, gets you comfortable. But that is good. But deep down, parang may hinahanap yung kaluluwa mo na parang gusto mong parang sa nila.
Baka sa corporate ka gano'n.
Correct. Oo. So,
Ako nga, I just wanna say din, di ba, syempre, we're Sparkle artists and nakakuha tayo ng mga auditions sa Sparkle, ganyan. But when I first started in theater, wala akong nakita ko lang na may open call sila for auditions. Tapos ako lang sa sarili ko, try ko na to. Malay mo. Hindi ako nagsabi pa sa Sparkle or sa family ko. Tapos, sinolo ko lang, ganun. Try lang. Tapos, diba, ayan,
Mimi na
andyan
siya from Rent.
Andyan na.
And yung mga ganun, nangyayari siya sa mga ganyang parang events in life. Yung parang hindi dapat, kailangan kong, gawin ko na to. It will lead to that next big opportunity.
Yeah.
And ang story ko dyan is, I did my stand-up debut 1 week before lockdown. Because all my improv peers were going to this open mic. Sabi ko, wait, gusto ko rin yan. So, pumasok ako dun sa open mic competition. Nag-place ako, parang third place ako out of like 12 contestants. So, parang sabi ko, oh my God, I finally found it after waiting for 8-9 years. Tapos parang, magsusulat na ako, ready na ako, babalik na ako, magpo-perform na ako. Ito yung mga bago kong jokes. Tapos biglang, bahay muna. Pero ang pinakamaganda nangyari was, yung performance na yun, meron yung pro shot documentation na ang ganda. 2-cam setup, ang ganda ng sound. Tapos, ang nangyari, binigay sa akin yung kopya ng video na yun. Tapos, yun yung una kong video na nag-trending sa TikTok, which jump-started everything. Nakakatawa because I did the open mic, the comedy show, February. Tapos sabi, wala mo na lalabas ng bahay. Tapos, I sat on that clip for like 8-9 months. So, December, nung pinost ko siya sa TikTok, sumabog siya bigla. So, sometimes it's those like, merong magna-nudge sa'yo from the universe. Hindi, gawin mo na yan. Yun yung mga kailangan very aware ka sa breadcrumbs ng universe. Especially if you know na what you are pursuing is something that feels good to you and wala ka namang sinasagasaang tao.
Yeah.
Diba? Like, go make that happen.
May nakita nga ako before na you have to think of these opportunities in your life as parang lottery tickets. Na tumaya ka lang. Kasi hindi mo alam, baka mamaya yung pang 27 mo na taya, yan, jackpot ka na dyan.
Wag nyo iliteral baka naman
Wag kayo, I'm not promoting gambling ha.
Oo, pero yeah, but yeah. That's one way to look at it. So, kung gusto mo lang kumanta, kung gusto mo lang mag-comedy, like, go. May importance rin yung pagiging matigas ng ulo ng mga egos natin diba?
Yes.
So don't look at the ego as something that is meant to bring you harm, diba? Listen to it and then make that final decision of like, okay, how am I going to execute what this voice in my head is telling me?
Yes. Now naman,
nice.
let's move on to a Reddit story. Dahil syempre
Reddit story?
Reddit story. Sabi
Mas
niya,
bakla ba direct? Reddit story.
I just turned 30 today.
Now what?
As the title says, my 20s are behind me. The past weeks have been rough with constant dread. I sank into deep depression, anxiety, and self-loathing. Couldn't eat or sleep well. Open close parentheses, I'm okay now, but who knows when these feelings will return. I even considered, trigger warning, suicide, but felt stuck in a can't live, can't die trap because of my mom. Too old for grief, yet still our family's ray of sunshine. It made me wonder, is my existence just a waste of space and oxygen? Oof. I spent my 20s trying to figure myself out. I had no passion or goals, just surviving, not living. I tried hobbies, but they felt more like distractions than joy. Everyone says by 30 you should have figured it out. Family, travel, purpose. My peers have, but I still feel like I'm at the starting line. I feel sluggish. The only real wins I had this year were learning badminton and chess and quitting smoking for almost a year. Even then, they feel insignificant, just the bare minimum. Still, I'm grateful I'm surviving, even with some financial struggles. I have a stable job. My birthday wasn't festive, but my mom made good food, and that counts for something. I thought I'd peak in my 20s, but maybe it's the 30s or 40s. Honestly, I don't know. Like that video I saw during a depressive episode said, just stay with us. So now I'm 30. Is it too late to reset and reinvent? Oh, so heavy.
Well, based sa mga pinag-usapan natin, it is not too late. And the fact that you were able to quit smoking, girl, alam mo kung gaano kahirap yung achievement na yun. So, wag mo rin naman masyadong, wag mo i-undersell yung mga pangkabog mong achievement, di ba? Diba si Argan, awayin mo, i-encourage mo siya.
Ito kasi yun,
Oras mo na, Cheska.
Wag awayin na kailangan mo siyang i-encourage.
Dapat
Alam
malambing.
mo, kailangan mo lang maging closer kay God. Okay, you have to have that faith and be grateful sa kung anong meron ka. Kasi meron pang ibang tao dyan na malala pa. Hindi ko ini-invalidate, but I'm just saying, you're lucky na sa kung saan ka man ngayon. May stable job ka, yung iba wala. Ayan, meron kang nanay, may good food ka, yung iba wala. O di ba? Nakapag-quit ka ng smoking, yung iba hindi nila nagagawa yon. So you know what? Para mas maging masaya ka sa buhay mo, maging grateful ka. Okay, yun yung sikreto dun. Pasalamat ka na meron kang ganito, ganyan.
Bago pangaralan. Ano may ganda? No, but she
Diba?
means well, I swear. She means well.
Oo.
Yeah.
course.
But I think what this message kasi says, parang I'm still hearing a lot of hope. Na parang maybe it's gonna happen in my 30s.
Yeah.
Maybe it's gonna happen yes, you have to believe. You have to
Oo.
dream, believe, survive.
Yeah.
Starstruck!
Okay. Akala mo ikaw lang marunong mag-plug dito ng mga
Kaya nga
IP ng GMA.
Oo
ha?
nga.
Oo.
Pero totoo yun naman, di ba? Na ano.
But I think you have to, kailangan, parang, delulu is the solulu.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes, oh, that's
like,
right.
like, maniwala ka na ikaw ang magiging next bomba star ng barangay
Yeah.
nyo. Diba? At
Bomba mo.
Parang
diba?
yung ano, sabi ni,
Ibomba mo,
tinanong kay
ibomba
Rihanna, yung parang, what do you do if you feel sad? Tapos ang sabi pa niya, pretend. It's either that or cry or what.
And you know, when you hit your 30s, mas ma-realize yun na parang you have to fake a lot of emotions first bago nyo ma-convince yung katawan nyo na
Yes.
you got it.
Katulad ng sinabi ni Ate Cha, kung lulungkot ba ako, sasaya ba ako?
Yeah.
Hindi naman. So,
Actually, mga ganun, di ba?
Mindset lang. Kumbaga, example, binigyan ka ng...
Ito na.
Camera na naman ba to?
Hindi.
Ha?
Oo.
Hindi, binigyan ka ng uling sa Christmas.
Sino
Uling
magbibigay sa'yo ng
Example.
uling sa Christmas?
Santa.
Example nga to, Mare.
Oo.
Oo. Uling, binigyan ka ng uling. O, edi, dapat yung mindset mo ay uling pa rin to, benta natin, magkakapera tayo. Oh,
Yes,
hindi yung
iba.
parang uling, anong
Presyong
gagawin ko
pangkabuhayan.
dito?
Christmas. Teka lang.
Correct.
Okay,
Medyo nahirapan
yes.
kami doon, Nak.
Yeah.
Pero,
Pero
buti na lang
kumapit
maganda
kami,
ka.
kumapit
Oo.
kami sa'yo.
Ha?
Yan yung sinasabi natin, i-fake nyo muna yung emotions nyo. Ayan.
Tama yung
oo.
tango ko. Kanina
Oo.
Ano bang tanong mo?
tango. Sabi ko.
Tanong.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yung soya na may sago sa kaano.
Takaw yun. Takaw yun.
Mm.
wala
Okay.
maisip na entry.
Kaya nga eh.
Di ba sayaw yun?
Tango yun.
Quick
Dagdagan
siya.
nyo, huwag tayong malaglag.
Oh,
Oh.
wala eh.
Wala!
Yung nandito, ano nga yun? Di ba tango yun?
Hindi, takong yun.
Sorry.
Kinakain yun?
Hindi,
Tahong.
tahong yun.
Wala pa.
Wala.
Jeff,
Nag-iisip,
Thea.
nag-iisip.
Kilala na natin ang may eliminate sa cast.
Sorry!
Wala na
Sa
iambag.
mga aso? Papag yung aso?
Hindi, tahol
Tahol
yun.
yun.
Sis, okay, ikaw na yung
Ah,
panalo.
sige.
Gets na namin. Gets
Ay,
na
wala
namin.
entry. Ako na yung
Na-redeem
big
mo yung,
winner.
na-redeem mo yung sarili mo from that
Diba?
uling moment.
Right.
Yes.
I love it.
Camera yon. Joke lang.
Okay na, okay na, okay na, okay na.
Alright.
Sige, last na lang siguro. Ano yung sa inyo guys? Ano yung mga biggest realizations ninyo habang papalapit, habang adult na kayo? Like ngayong tumungtong na tayo sa adulting.
I will start.
Okay, start go.
No, I think ang isa sa biggest realization ko ngayong I'm in my 30s is that it is my God-given right to be happy.
Yes.
Like, karapatan kong sumaya. So, kailangan kong ipaglaban yun at kailangan maging matigas yung ulo ko, maging obsessed ako sa fact na may karapatan akong sumaya at i-enjoy ang buhay ko. Yun.
Yeah, copy-paste. Same.
Nangopya ka pa.
Kopya ka pa.
I love what he said and yeah,
Oo.
bongga yon.
Sobrang na-impress sa sinabi mo, kinailangan niyang kopyahin.
Oo.
Yes.
Second
Okay.
motion niya na lang.
Oo.
Ako siguro, accountability. Parang ang dami kong mga bagay na dinidismiss lang na somehow nakakatulong pala yun sana. Kung hinarap ko lang yun, kung hindi lang ako naduwag din na, alam mo yun, na aminin yun sa sarili ko para mas mapabilis yung pagiging responsable ko. So parang, wala ako tinatagong anak, guys.
Kaya nga eh, accountability
Pero hindi kasi-
saan?
Hindi kasi ang dami kong mga decisions in life na may mga impulsive, for example, na impulsive buying, tapos parang nakaligtaan
Shit,
ko yung...
camera.
Bumaklik na.
Hindi kita ginigil trip sa camera mo. Pero kasi parang ang dami kong mga bagay na kinagaslight ko na lang yung sarili ko tapos hindi ako accountable dun sa mga bagay na yun na nakaligtaan ko. So parang siguro mas maging responsable ako at syempre accountable ako sa mga mistakes ko. Hindi ako aalis dun sa situation na yun. Sit there lang ako and learn from it talaga. Ganun. Syempre.
Thank you. Bigyan ng jacket.
Okay.
Wala.
Ikaw?
Ito, na sweatshirt.
Ako na...
As an early 30s. At 20s pala.
early
Sorry.
20s. Ako na, tao ako na may mga gusto akong gawin. Yun lang yun.
Yeah.
May mga bagay ako na siguro di in line dito sa showbiz and pwede ko siyang gawin. Like, I'm my own person. Ngayon ko lang na-realize yun.
Oo, hindi naman buhay showbiz lang to.
Oo, na I don't have to look at others or something. Like, I can do what I want if it makes me happy. Yun talaga.
Ako siguro, kung ibinigay yan sa'yo ng universe, kaya mo yan. Kung pagsubok yan, kaya mo yan. Kung opportunity yan, kaya mo yan. So, gawin mo na lang. Ganon.
Just do it. Huwag mo nang isipin
Nike.
pa.
Oo.
Don't think, just do.
Wow.
Wow.
Yes!
Yes.
What
indeed.
she said.
Yes,
What she
copy
said.
paste.
Period.
Yes! Thank you so much again, Bas!
Yes!
Thank
Thank you so much, Bas.
Spitting knowledge.
I love
If dati I
it.
believe that the children are their future, after meeting you guys, I don't believe that anymore.
Oh, guys.
Yes, guys. Baus, anything you wanna promote again?
So kung nagustuhan nyo lahat ng aking kabaklaan at aking pagpapatawa, pumunta po kayo sa Instagram, Bausrufo, Bausrufo. And then, apart from that, do you.
Yes! Don't think, just do.
Dude.
Yes, thank you so much. Ayan, syempre, mga ka-triggered, ayan, pwede po kayo mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel dito sa Adventure Taste Moment. And of course, next Friday, 7 p.m. ulit, tayo magkita-kita. And of course, you can follow us on Apple Podcast, Spotify, Audible, ATM Official Facebook page. And ang aming TikTok account, by the way, guys, bago-bago to, fresh ito. Kaya follow nyo rin yan, ang Triggered_ATM po yan. At syempre, ang ating Kapuso stream every Sunday at 3 p.m.
Yay!
Yes, guys. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so
See you next
much.
Friday. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.